Understanding to give back, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a commonly used phrase in English, to give back. This phrase might seem simple, but it has a depth of meaning and usage that is very interesting. Let's dive in and understand all about it. To give back generally means to return something to its original place or owner. It's often used when someone has borrowed something and needs to return it. For example, I need to give back the books I borrowed from the library. But, to give back isn't just about physical objects. It can also refer to returning a favor or kindness. If someone helped you when you were in need, you might want to help them in return. This is also called giving back. An even broader usage of to give back involves contributing to the community or society. This could mean volunteering, donating to charity, or any action that helps others. It's about gratitude and responsibility towards the society that nurtured us. Let's look at some examples. 1. After she became successful, she wanted to give back to her community. 2. He always remembers to give back the tools he borrows from his neighbor. Don't confuse to give back with simply to give. To give is more general and doesn't necessarily imply returning something or reciprocating. And that's a wrap on to give back. Remember, it's a phrase rich in meaning and reflects the values of responsibility, gratitude, and community. I hope this video helps you understand and use to give back more confidently in your English conversations. See you in the next video.